Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital finance to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to withdraw your USDT from Bybit in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the crypto world, this step-by-step guide will have you withdrawing your funds smoothly and securely. Bybit is one of the top exchanges out there, and with its user-friendly interface, this process is a breeze. But remember, always double-check everything to keep your assets safe in this ever-evolving space. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Bybit account. If you haven't already, head to the Bybit website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. It's usually right on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your holdings, including USDT. Click on USDT to select it. Next up, look for the Withdraw button. It might be under a submenu like Spot Wallet, or directly in the Assets page. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. This is crucial. Input the exact wallet address where you want your USDT to go. Make sure it's a compatible address. USDT is often on networks like Tron, ERC20, or BEP20, so double-check that in Bybit's drop-down menu. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Bybit will show you any fees involved, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. After that, you'll need to verify the transaction. This could involve two-factor authentication, 2FA, or email confirmation. Always enable 2FA for extra security. Once verified, hit Confirm, and your withdrawal request will be processed. Processing times can vary, but in 2025, Bybit aims for quick turnarounds, often within minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your email or the app for confirmation. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn your USDT. Before you go, a quick tip. Always withdraw to a wallet you control, never to another exchange directly, to minimize risks. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy out there. See you in the next video.